I guess swans like gook and filthy frogs. Hey guys. There we go. Maybe. There we go. All right, so those were not swans. Those were actually snow geese, which Dylan and I have never seen snow geese. At least I've never seen a snow goose in Michigan, so I had no idea that those birds actually were in Michigan. So anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be of a trip that Dylan and I took to Lake X a couple weeks ago, and we're in the middle of October, and the bite has been really tough. I do actually miss a few on a frog during this trip on Lake X, but really what I want to do with this video is just have you guys listen in on some of the stuff that Dylan and I are talking about. I mean, we're really good friends, but we are always trying to think of, you know, like, what do we got to do to catch that next fish? You know, we're talking back and forth about different baits and different colors and kind of why we do the things we do. So really, that's what I want you to take from this video is there's a couple sections where Dylan and I talk about, you know, not throwing the same bait, not throwing the same color, and really trying to work different baits, different areas, different cadences to really try to figure out what those fish are keying in on. And then if someone does start catching fish, then the other person switches over to that. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Growth's been going really, really well. Hopefully you guys have liked some of the video segments I've made on how to make YouTube videos from an iPhone, because you guys are actually watching this through an iPhone right now. This content's all being made on an iPhone. If you want to check that content out, I'll leave the links up here in the right-hand corner throughout this video so you guys can check those out. But then also, too, if you want to know how to make Instagram content, or if you want to know how to make TikTok content, or if you want to know how to make YouTube short content from your YouTube videos, like I do when I create all my content for fishing, I'll leave the link to that video up here as well so you guys can check that out. So, hope you guys enjoy these videos, or you guys enjoy this day on the water with Dylan Grubb from Lake X, or from Dylan Grubb from Extreme Outdoorsman on Lake X. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Forgot about those being back there.
You can set them all on this side.
They're moving over now. It's always an adventure.
It is.
It's never a dull moment. Like, we wouldn't expect anything less.
Yeah.
No, and that's what I was telling Manfred. We were talking yesterday because I went to his house he gave me his deer heart. Agrees. I'm like, there's rarely a time that Dylan and I throw the exact same bait, unless
never.
one of us is like killing it, you know. And I said, even look at this past summer when we were catching them on flukes. I was using pink, and he was using natural, and we were both catching them, right?
We were both wrecking.
Yeah. So it's like if one of, I mean, use the canal as an example, right? When I was catching them on those pink chatterbaits, all right, well, throw a pink click, you know, throw a pink bladed jig, right? Yeah. But I said we rarely throw the exact same bait, which is not a bad thing. I mean, we're trying to different cadences and
we both work with different companies, and it's better to throw different lures so you like find out what they want and what colors.
Yeah, or like even, you know, the clickbait has a different action than the chatterbait, than the slobber knocker, right? They all have different cadences in the water. You know what's crazy is I was looking at just your growth. You remember last year when you guys started fishing together, you only had 4,000 followers.
Really?
On YouTube. Yeah.
Last year?
When we started fishing together in canals. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Because in one of the videos you and I were fishing, and you're like, I just hit 4K.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure of it.
Like my channel hasn't been growing super fast.
It did last year.
Yeah, last year it did.
Well, I mean, like I said, dude, they've been changing.
This year it's been slow.
They've been changing the algorithm so much.
Yeah. Just one bite.
Two. I mean, I don't know if it was the same fish or not, but definitely hungry, man. I'm not used to looking at a black frog.
What?
I'm not used to looking at a black frog.
Yeah. Oh shit, my bad.
Use my rod, I'll show you. Wow. You want to use it? It's going to cost you.
Shit, sorry.
There. Oh, lost him, man.
Really?
Crap, yeah. In that pocket right there. Dang it.
Yeah, I'll pass her in a couple seconds.
Crap. Guess I shouldn't have put the frog rod away yet.
Maybe they're just setting up and all this shit.
Yeah, it's super warm, right? The black bottom.
Yeah.
This is going to be probably the warmest water. Like he hit that one, I just missed him.